Hi guys, it's Dani here and welcome back to my channel. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate your support. And if you are new, please hit the subscribe button and join our little fam. So my mission here is to help you have your account and your skin glowing. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can enjoy London for less money. So I've got a few of my favorite apps I'm going to share with you, so let's get straight into it. So the first website that I would recommend is a great page called staycationscom. So Staycations is a website that essentially works with local luxury hotels in London and gets you a discounted rate over the weekend. So be you're having a staycation with your girls, with your man, or a solo treat. It's a great website for you to just find a really nice place across the city. They do have a few actually just outside of London as well, where you can go and relax and enjoy spa treatment, late checkout. It's awesome. The next one I would recommend is Tastecard. So Tastecard is an actual international app. They have it in the States as well, but it helps you find theatre tickets for less. So if you know you want to go to the theatre this week, you know, you can start looking on the website, looking on the app and see what shows they've got on, what nights are cheap. So you can book in advance on there, but you can also get tickets on the night for rock bottom prices. So definitely check that app out and get cultured, go and see a show. The next app I absolutely love is tastecard / you can also get it through Meerkat Meals. And essentially what this app website is a little digital card that shows you restaurants in the area that do 50% off. So this is like my favorite thing. I'll always say to my mates, if we're meeting in the week or we're going for, you know, something sweet, you don't even have to go for a full meal. Like me and my friend like to go for dessert, and that's something that we do, is use the Meerkat app, which is working in collaboration with Tastecard, or you can use Tastecard standalone, and you can see on their map of local restaurants who are partners, book a table and we'll go and have something to eat or drink there. So this is a really great way for you to go out, enjoy some nice food and drinks without paying, you know, the big bucks. Another app which is awesome is called Dice. So Dice shows a range of local live events, you know, art installations, gigs, comedy, anything you want to do, that's all listed on Dice. So it's a great way for you to plan ahead, see what's going on, book a ticket, and usually do have some discount codes on there as well. And the last app I would recommend is Fever. So Fever is another events app, but it also has like discounted bottomless brunches, comedy classes, cooking classes, whatever you fancy. They always have discounts on there and also just show you a range of different things. So it's great if you're trying to get all your friends together, you know, no one wants to blow the bank, but you want to do something fun. So there are some really great apps out there. I would love to hear which ones you guys use also. So don't forget to comment down below and share the knowledge. We're all about sharing here. Don't forget to check out my latest video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hit subscribe now. Bye.